Hello guys, it's the day of my new tyre fitting. I'm just on my way now to KwikFit in Blackpool to get my new tyres. It's a pretty miserable day really. It's quite rainy and it has been since yesterday really. It was just doing it all day long. It's quite a fucking pain to work on your car, but I'm quite lucky in Blackpool to be able to work in the garage when I'm at home, I suppose. I don't really have a garage, so I'll see you when I get there. Right, we're here.
It's simple. You can purchase tyre care for a one-off low-cost fee at the time of getting your tyre replaced.
He's just going to move my beast.
This morning, hello to Becca, loving the music. Hello to Sammy, saying morning Grimmy, loving the music. And hello to Katie, my first day of my new job this morning. No longer driving 50 miles to work, just 5 miles, but loving the tunes this morning. What a good one today. We'll do it again tomorrow morning from 8.
It's like I've done it before.
Hey, you can get coffee here, so coffee white with sugar. Yeah, that'll do. I'll have one of them. He's just taking the wheels off now. It's all jacked up. My beast. I'll give it him. They're quite fast, these two together. The new beefy tyres. Look, I've tried on them. I basically got that on all 4 sides, so no more of the stupid winter tyres at the back. If we just look down. The tread's kind of weird on these though. Like, it's just got 2 main sections in the middle, like that. I don't know, it's quite weird. So that's it really. I thought they would have done tracking as well with their price, but they don't. I was quite disappointed about that actually. Considering it, I suppose it isn't that bad, it was like £200, but it is a decent amount of money as well. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please comment, rate and subscribe if you want to see more. As I said in the previous video, it's going to be more mechanical ones in future. This is just like just what's going on in my life really, what I'm getting sorted with the car and all that. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.